In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create a Game Pass in Roblox on your iPhone. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But first things first, you got to understand that you can't actually do this in the Roblox app. So go ahead and close out of that and open up a web browser of your choice, something like Safari or Chrome, and go ahead and navigate to roblox.com. From here, go ahead and select continue in browser and then make sure you're signed into your account and click create up in the top little section up there. And from here, click these three lines up in the top left corner. Select creations and find your place within here and open it up. Once you open up, go ahead and select those three lines again and scroll down into monetization and find the section that says passes. Open that up and select create a pass. From here, you can go ahead and upload an image, give it a name and description, and then select create pass down at the very bottom. Once you create that pass, go ahead and go back and find it within your passes section and open it up. Let's go ahead and say Boss Pass is the one I just created. Once you open that up, click those three lines again up in the top left corner and select sales. And here, go ahead and set your price and list the item for sale by ticking on that box. Hit save changes down at the very bottom, and now your Game Pass is going to be live. If you want to share it, go ahead and just go back to the overall passes section, just like so. And if you swipe to the right, you're going to see three dots over here. Just select it and hit copy URL or copy pass ID and share it to whoever you would like. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.